What are you doing?
That's what letter S to do. Letter S to do. I need letter X.
Oh, what is this? How about this? Okay.
Here I am. Here I am.
Okay. Let's make. Where is this one? Come here. Where is the other one? Wait. Not this one. Mommy is going to make, okay? Just watch mommy. Okay. S W E E and how if I'm going to this one and this one. Okay. Oh, right. Can you read?
S W E E T. Uncle. Yeah.
Can you read?
Ow!
No. Read this one first.
L.
Read this one. Can you read that one?
Sweet. Yes. W E E T. Sweet.
Very good. Sweet? Are you sweet? Can you kiss mommy?
There's another L.
Can you kiss mommy?
Read.
Kiss mommy
I
first.
feel what another L. Yes. S W E E T L. Sasa.
Ah. What?
No. S W E.
Are you a drummer? Are you a drummer?
Oh, I think chocolate. Ow.
Can you make letter A? Oh, I'll give you 2, 1, 2, 3 stick. Here. 1, 2, 3 stick. Can you make it letter A?
2.
Oh, make it letter A. Make it letter A. Come on, make it letter A. Down, down, and across. Oh, another one.
And go. Letter A.
The letter is that letter A?
Oh, look.
What?
Letter C. D. E. On the road. Circle mode. This is another B. I checked this. This is another B. E.
Okay. Can you make letter B?
Sure. What? Letter D. Is. Oh no.
Letter B is here. Oh.
T.
What letter is that? What letter is this?
B. A. B. What? Letter C. Good. No. It's another. Another. It's another. It's another. Has to know. It's bigger. A B. It's B. A. B. Let's see. Oh, move.
letter is that? Oh, okay. For me,
No.
I will show it to you.
No.
Okay. If like this, letter. If like this, letter.
E.
If like that, letter.
G.
Wow, good job.
E. Hi.
Hi, E. Hi, E.
Hickory.
Hi,
Hi.
hi, E. I am another letter E. Oh, we are both letter E.
Oh, that
Oh, no, I am letter G.
What letter G?
Yes,
It's E.
I am letter G. What is your name?
Hi, Tatan.
Your name is Santan?
Miss you.
Nice to meet you. My name is letter G.
Miss you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm sorry.
Where are you going, letter E?
Oh, look. Bed. Oh, bear.
To give you a challenge, I will give you and make a letter, okay? Okay? Okay. Wait, just sit down there. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. This one. And
I can little be down.
this one. Okay. Okay. Wait. This one. Can you make letter A? Put it there. Okay. Good job. Letter. Okay, I'll give you one more and make it letter B. Okay. Make it letter B. Good job. Next is letter. What is that? What is that? Next. Wait.
Oh no.
Going to make it. Okay. Next letter is face there. Face here. Okay. A, B, C. Okay. Make letter.
C.
What next?
Oh, letter.
What letter? Letter D. Okay. Make letter D. Can you make letter D? No, that is letter. You can do it. You can do it. Letter D. Come on, make letter D. Down, round, and down. Round and... Oh, that is Q.
And Rika.
There you are. You did it. Wow. Galing mo naman. Galing. Sorry. Oh, letter. Next is letter.
E.
Okay, put it there. Put it there.
F.
E. Now F. Okay, make letter F. Here, put it here. F. Yay! Very good. High five. Can you give mommy a high five?
Okay.
Very good. Next letter is
No.
silly. O? Mm-mm. What letters? What letter?
G. E. E. Over here. Letter E. Says letter G.
Yes, very good. Oh, put it there beside the F. Okay, letter G. No, it's not the A. Can you read it first again from A? A. Come on, read louder.
A. B. C. D. E. Uh-oh. What? Sorry. F. Who did it? G. O. G. Who's this?
What's next letter?
Oh no.
This one. Oh. Wait, I will help you.
K-O.
No, wait. Oh, this one. Make letter H. Come on, sit here. Sit here. Okay, sit down here. Okay. Make letter H. Put it here. Down and...
Oh no.
Wow! Eh! Galing naman ang bebe ko. What's that? It's letter H.
I.
Where's I? Put it here. Okay, very good.
J.
Oh, wow, J.
K.
Where K? Where's K? Come here. You have to sit here so that you will not be confused. Come here. Come here. Okay. I'll make letter K. You do it. Letter K, please. Very good.
L.
Okay, make letter A. L.
L.
L. Okay, come here. Here. Come here. You don't have space there. Come here. Put letter M here under the letter A. Sit down properly. Wow, very good.
Isa,
And very good.
A, B, C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, K, L,
L. Okay.
M,
M.
N.
And
Letter.
what letter? There.
Letter O.
Oh, okay.
P.
Good
Where
job.
P going?
Where's P? I think there's P here. Can you check? Good job.
Another ship.
What letter is that?
Okay. No. No.
No. What letter is that?
Huh?
Mm-mm. Ah.
Uh,
Mm-mm. Hmm? Mm-mm. That's cute. Mm-mm. Yeah, what is that? Letter?
Yes.
Yes. No, just don't play. Okay. P. Oh, next letter.
Q.
Q. Oh, put Q here. Put Q. Oh, this is the across. Okay. Put it here beside the P.
Q.
Q. Very good. Wow. Uh-oh. Silly. No, silly.
Oh no! This is letter.
Oh no, look what happened to letters.
And the letter A. This is all the letters. People's letter.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Cow, up here. What is letter? Aha. Ha-ha. Aha. Ha-ha.
You can do it. Oh. Mm.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
See you. Bye-bye.